Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to remove suggestions in Google Drive. If you often find yourself opening Google Drive and feeling overwhelmed by a barrage of suggested files that you didn't particularly want to see, you're not alone. Many users prefer a cleaner, more organized view that takes them directly to their own files without unnecessary distractions. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to change your settings, so Google Drive opens straight to your personal files, effectively hiding those pesky suggestions. This adjustment won't affect your files or folders. It just changes what you see first when you access Google Drive. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. 1. Accessing Google Drive. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to Google. In the top right corner, you'll spot a grid icon, which looks like a small square made up of 9 dots. This is your Google Apps menu. Give it a click, and you'll see a list of Google services. From there, select Google Drive. Alternatively, if you want quicker access next time, consider bookmarking drive.google.com so you can jump there with a single click. 2. Navigating to settings. Once you're in Google Drive, turn your attention again to the top right corner. You'll notice a small gear icon, which is the Settings button. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings to open the Drive Settings panel. This panel generally opens to the General section, where we'll make the necessary changes. 3. Adjusting the Start Page setting. Within the General settings, look for an area labeled Start Page. This is where you control what appears first when you open Drive. By default, many accounts show suggestions, which is why you see recommended files and recent activity. To change this, simply click on the option For My Drive. Selecting this tells Google Drive to bypass the suggestion view and take you straight to your folders and files. There's no need to look for a Save button. Your choice is applied immediately. 4. Seeing the change in action. To confirm the change, you can either refresh the page or open Google Drive again. This time, instead of landing on a suggestion-filled page, you'll be greeted directly by My Drive, showing your folders and files right away. This new setup helps keep your workspace focused and predictable, especially if you organize your files into folders and prefer the control over what you see first. Now, a quick recap to solidify these steps. Go to Google, open the Apps grid, select Drive, click the gear icon, open Settings, locate the Start Page section, and choose My Drive. That's all it takes to remove suggestions from your default view in Google Drive. Should you ever decide you want those suggestions back, you can easily reverse the process by returning to the same setting and selecting Suggestions again. And that's it for this tutorial on how to remove suggestions in Google Drive. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.